looking? What you got cooking? How about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, how's about baby? We find us a brand new recipe.
Alright, boys and girls, we're here. We're going to do our review with Hangry Bear pizza. It's a product of Cody Anderson's, and we're going to do barbecue chicken today. We're going to do some corn on the cob, and I've already got up this morning. I've already soaked my corn on the cob with some sugar water. I've had the chicken soaking in brine since earlier this morning. And right now I'm waiting, letting my grill get up to about 300 so we get going good. So right now I'm taking the chicken out of the brine, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and coat it with put some oil on it. Now this is also the time that I would go ahead and put some dry rub on it, and Cody actually has a very nice dry rub, but we're reviewing the barbecue sauce today, and I want it to stand alone, and we're going to do the rub on its own separate different video. We'll do that at a different time, alright? So I'm just going to put a little salt and pepper on here. And we'll just give it a good toss in the oil and salt and pepper. Let that rest for just a second, and I'm going to go wash my hands, and that way when I'm handling my utensils I'm not cross-contaminating. So we'll be right back. Alright, hey, just a little bragging rights here. Those that know me, I had misplaced my previous drilling bib, and Sissy has made me a new one. I'm very proud of it. All pair of my bibs, and they're great. All the good pockets to put all your little stashes and stuff in. If you like this, just message us, send us a message with your contact info if you'd like to have one of these made, and we can talk about it. Then again, I just kind of want to brag on it because I'm awful proud of it.
Doing about 20 minutes of indirect heat at about 300 degrees.
Alright, now as you see, I've moved the chicken over the direct heat, and I've warmed up some of this Hangry Bear pit sauce. We'll go ahead and brush it on the chicken and get a nice, let it caramelize over there over the direct heat. Oh, this smells good. Let's flip her over here and get the other side. Now we're just doing the pit sauce today. We'll do the Hangry Bear growl at a later date. That'll be mainly for me because I'm the one who likes spicy. I gotta come up with a good plan for it. Something special for it. I won't share. There we go. Alright, let's get some more of this Hangry Bear. All in all, it's about an hour for this process, for indirect and direct heat, and then caramelizing. You know, it's about 20-25 minutes one side, 20-25 minutes the other side, and then, you know, just a few minutes on direct heat to sear it and get all this on here nice and good. All right, we'll let that cook for a little bit. and we'll pull the corn over on direct heat and go ahead and get it seared and ready to go. We're gonna put some of that butter we made on the video the other day, and I'll put that link on the below, along with Cody Anderson's information. If you want some of this Hangry Bear stuff, we'll have those in the comment section below, with a link to his web page and Facebook and all that good stuff, and how to get some of this good sauce. Alrighty, I'll be back in a few minutes. We're gonna close the lid and let that cook a little bit.
Oh, ain't that pretty?
Alright. Well, we got them off the grill here. So here comes the big test. Of course, I'll just be honest with you. I've run around the code long enough. I already know this is gonna be good. And it is.
Well, let's go visit with Cody Anderson and have us a little review of this sauce. Meanwhile, over at Cody's, I found him doing what he does best. God, I love that antique smoker.
Alright, we're here with Cody Anderson, and we're going to talk about his Hangry Bear sauces. Now, Cody, I just typically go back to chicken with your sauces, and I hate to tell you, man, they're pretty dang good. I tell you what, but I'm awful proud to have this guy as my friend, and the fact that he's a pretty damn good cook is just a damn bonus, to tell you that much. My take on your Hangry Bear pit sauce, unlike all your store-bought sauces, it wasn't heavy and thick. It was actually a very delicate sauce, which is, it's kind of a odd thing to say about a manly thing like barbecue sauce that is delicate. But it really is, and I really enjoyed that. It had a little bit of a citrus back taste to it without being fruity, and which really suits my palate because I'm one of those that like a little meat with a whole lot of sauce. So it was just perfect, because being light and delicate, you can really lather that stuff on. But Cody, why don't you kind of tell us about your background, your sauces, and you, and just whatever else you want to share.
Thanks, Boomer. Well, that particular sauce was actually my barbecue sauce, pit sauce that I had when I had a restaurant, and it's designed that way for a reason. It's makes a great cooking sauce and a great table side sauce all in one. We used to keep it in squeeze bottles on the table, so it was easy for you to, because believe it or not, there's a lot of swimmers out there like you. They love to drown their meat, so
Pass the ketchup.
yeah. They would ask for that on the table all the time. So I knew I had something good there. I loved it. It's a flavor profile that I'll be honest with you, I kind of love the red mud barbecue sauce. I put that out there. My flavor profile kind of follows along to theirs. That's what I was doing when I was reinventing mine. Reinventing mine was trying to reinvent theirs. I found a flavor I loved and fell in love with it. So they have another one that's on the spicier side that it has a little ghost pepper in it, spicing things up, and we like to call that the growling sauce. More, it doesn't really burn you up. It just in the back of your throat, you'll feel that.
Get your attention a little bit.
You'll feel that Hangry Bear growl.
We're going to do a review of that one too as soon as I decide what I want to put it on. Any suggestions?
Everything.
Oh, there you go. that includes fingers, right?
You bet.
Oh,
Finger licking good.
All right.
Still Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's finger licking good.
There we go.
It's a whole line of Hangry Bear. Been in culinary, mom and pop culinary for, I guess, 30 years now. And I say mom and pop because it wasn't classically trained. I was trained from mom, dad, and grandmas, and babysitters and all that good stuff. Cooking's been a passion of mine probably back since I was in kindergarten.
I'm not to interrupt you, but I just want to interject something. I'm going to tell you something. I just learned something.
I always took for granted that you were a classically trained chef, because when I ate at your places, one of the things that always impressed me is how you plated your food and how pretty it was when you plated it. So actually, you saying that really kind of catches me by surprise. I mean, because to me, the way you presented it, it just screamed trained chef.
Well, I kind of learned that working in the restaurant field, you know. Learned real quick that you eat with your eyes first. It don't matter how well it tastes. The first thing that you see, you're going to judge it just by the look. You know, you say don't judge a book by its cover. With food, you're going to judge that book by its cover. That's the first thing you see is how it looks when it comes to you. And I like to give a good presentation. I like everything to look as good as it tastes, smells.
Well, you know, that's I completely agree, and like I said, I was not disappointed. And you know, like I mentioned earlier, I had no doubt I was going to like it because I liked everything you've ever put in front of me, and I've eaten a lot of his food. But anyway, I'm gonna put, like I said, I'm gonna put the in the comment sections how to get a hold of him, so you can order yourself up a whole mess of this, because I guarantee, don't order just one jar. Order multiple jars, because you're gonna plow through that first one just like I did. And by the way, the green sauce, which I don't have.
The Verde.
Yeah, I'm going to leave here with a jar of that today, right?
Yes.
Okay, we're good. You get a good review. All right, we'll see you later, boys and girls. All right, everybody. Like I said, I appreciate you coming to our channel. Is this your first time to our channel? I appreciate you stopping by and giving us a look. Be sure and hit that subscribe button and that bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, as always, we really do appreciate and love you. Happy trails.